This lesson is on substitution and order of operation. So here we have substitutions. That means there is some sort of formula, and all we do is we plug in the value. Okay, so here I have m is 1, n is 3, p is 4. So plug in m, so m is here, n is here, p is here. So plug into the formula or in equations, replace the variable with a value. So m, I replace by 1. This one is already there. N, I replace by a 3. P, I replace by a 4. Okay. After that, just do order of operation. And again, plus and minus only. So left to right. So 1 plus 1 gives me 2. 2 plus 3 gives me 5. 5 subtract 4, 1. Okay, again, your job is to plug in the letter, replace the letter with a variable. Okay, next example, here's another equations or formula that has letters, and we are going to replace them. So m, 1, n, 3, p, negative 4. Okay, so m is replaced by 1, n replaced by 3, p replaced by negative 4. Okay, so m is 1, n is 3, p negative 4. Where do I get these numbers? They're right here. All I'm doing is I'm just replacing or substitute. Okay, after the replace, do your order of operation. So 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times negative 4 gives me negative 12. Okay, and then 12 divided by 2 gives me negative 6. 5 subtract 6, negative 1. Okay, or 5 plus negative 6 gives me negative 1. Okay, here's another example. Same thing. I have an equations. Replace m by negative 1. Replace n with negative 3. Okay, so m, negative 1, n, negative 3, m, negative 1, n, negative 3. Okay, so negative times negative, positive 3. Okay, this m is negative 1, so I brought it down. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. And then 12 times negative 12 divided by 6, which gives me negative 2. The reason why I put parentheses is because I have two negatives. Okay, and then negative times negative will gives me positive 2. Okay, negative times negative 2 gives me this positive 2. 1, negative 1 plus 2 gives me positive 1. I still have this negative and this 3, so bring along. And then negative 1, negative times 1 is negative 1. 3 subtract 1 gives me 2. Okay, so one more time. Negative 3 times negative 1 times negative 3, positive 3. Bring down the negative, bring down this negative 1, bring down this negative. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. Negative 12 divided by 6, negative 2. I put this in a parentheses because I have two negatives. Bring the 3, the negative, and this negative 1, bring it along. And then negative times negative 2 gives me positive 2. Take care of the parentheses here. So negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. This 3 and this negative, I haven't done anything to it, so I just bring it along. And then negative times 1 is negative 1. 3 subtract 1 gives me 2. Okay, so again, be very careful when you plug in the letter, replacing the letter with a value, and then after that do order of operation. Okay.